Oh, okay, nothing bad. All right. Euro USD this morning, bias is neutral to bullish. Resistance at 1.1750 and the support at 1.1700. If resistance is broken and that trend line is broken, price will trend towards 1.1800 level. And if price rejects 1.1750, price is going to trend down to 1.1700. And if 1.1700 is broken, price is going to go down to 1.1640 level. That's Euro USD. So now let's look at GBP USD. My bias for GBP USD this morning is neutral to bullish. Neutral to bullish. Okay, that resistance is there at 3870 but 3885. I'm seeing 3885. So let's adjust that. 3885. Okay. All right, very good one. Yeah, 3885. That's a new resistance. 3885. That's a resistance for GBP UXD, and support at 3800, 3800. That's a support at 3800. So that's for GBP USD. So what I'm looking at for GBP USD this morning is price holding below 1.3885 level. So if this continue, if price continue to hold below 1.3885 level, we are going to see a movement, a steady movement back down to 1.3800 level, especially if PPI and unemployment claim is good. It's going to force price to move down to 1.3800 level. Then a break of 1.3800 level will lead us to 1.3750 level. Will lead us to 1.3750 level. Okay, so these are two supports we are looking at today. But on the flip side, if price decides to go up and hit this resistance at 1.3885, then break it. A break is a candle closing above that resistance. Okay, break it. If price breaks this resistance, then I'll wait for price to break this trend line. So once price breaks this trend line, that is the time I am going to take a buy decision. But for now, I'm not going to take a buy decision. All right, I'm going to. If you ask me, I'm going to go along with sell more than a buy for now. Yeah. Okay, and if you're doing that sell, use tight stop loss. Use tight stop loss. If you're doing that sell, use tight stop loss in case price reverse and hit the stop loss and close above this trend line. Okay, so if price close above that trend line, then it is time to go higher. So time to go higher from this level. Then we come to this top that is about 65 pips. That's about 65 pips, which is also very good. It's not a bad one for the day. But on the flip side, if price hit, which price has done already, price has hit that 1.3885 level and it's coming down. So if price continue to move downward, then we can see a move of like 55 pips downward to 1.3800 level. So guys, that is GBP USD this morning. So watch out for this. Okay. On 1 hour time frame, for those that love to trade with 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. All right, nothing really special on the 1 hour time frame this morning, but it shows clearly the pin bar. Can you see the pin bar here? It shows that pin bar on 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is a very clear pin bar. So it shows that pin bar, and it would be nice if stop loss is behind the pin bar. So while you watch this guy carefully, you watch that guy carefully. It's not a bad one because the risk reward ratio should be very good from what I'm seeing. The risk reward, this is about 25. This is about 35 pips if you're going to use that stop loss. And this is about 55 pips. So it's not a bad one. Okay. It's not a bad one. So that's that on GBP UXD this morning. So let me move to next pair, which is AUD UXD. AUD UXD. AUD USD also looking bearish. after price, this is a forced movement. You understand what this means? Okay, this is a forced movement caused by the fundamental report that was released yesterday. Okay, the CPI forced this price to come here, but now the price is saying, no, I'm going to my normal direction. So you can see that's this trend line, price has broken that trend line back downward again. All right, for those of you that understand chart pattern, so this guy must supposed to move this distance downward. This is about 100 pips, and if you look at what it has moved, okay, from where it breaks that down, it has not moved 50 pips. It hasn't moved 50 pips. So that movement downward is not exhausted yet. It's not exhausted. So likely we're going to see more movement to the downside. More movement to the downside is about 40 pips. Okay, stop loss can be very tight, maybe 20 pips here. Okay, so with this, once price gets to this point, it's going to be a decision point. So I'm expecting price to do this. Okay, move down steadily to this guy at 0.7315, 0.7315 support. That's a support, 0.7315. Why the resistance is at 0.7415, 0.7415. So I'm expecting price to move steadily to this guy. Then if this is broken, then we are going to see the next support at 0.7285, 0.7285. So watch out for these two levels this morning for AUD UXD on 4 hours time frame. My bias for AUD USD is neutral to bullish, bullish in the sense that price may decide to go back in here. Then that movement back is going to test this 0.7415. Okay, and if that is also broken, then we are going to move higher. But I know at this region, price is going to struggle, except our trend line here with the upper channel will guide us. Okay, if our upper channel here guides us, then we'll see price moving gently, breaking this guy at 0.7415, and then move gently to this upper side of this trend line, okay, where rejection might likely take place again. So this is likely going to be price movement today for AUD UXD. All right, then the next is the NZD guy, our NZD guy. This is 4 hour time frame. Let's look at it on daily time frame. So yesterday, NZD was able to break out of this support, of this resistance at 0.7025, broke out of that resistance and moved very close to the next resistance, 0.7070. That is what NZD USD did yesterday. The reason for this is still that fundamental, okay, the CPI fundamental. So if price, as price is moving, if price closes below this on 4 hour time frame, below 0.7025 on 4 hour time frame, then we might likely see more downward movement. But for now, resistance is at 0.7062. Let's take this now as our resistance, 0.7062. That's the resistance for now, 0.7062. So and the support 0.7025 is still intact. So if that support is broken, it's going to lead us to the next support at 0.6970. So my bias is also neutral for NZD USD. So watch out for this. So this is 4 hour time frame. So if price closes below this guy, okay, which is likely going to happen because this is bearish engulfing. This is bearish engulfing pattern, very bearish one. Okay, that's a very bearish engulfing pattern. All right, so smart candle traders will know that, okay, price should begin to trend downward. All right, and another strong reason is this point. Okay, candles have tested this point for some time. Okay, struggled around that point for some time, and now if this guy now closes below this point, so that is telling us clearly that that guy will gently lead us to this trend line that we put in place, to gently lead us to that trend line we put in place. And the break of that trend line will lead us gently to this support at 0.6965, 0.6965. So watch out for this for NZD UXD this morning. Nothing bad about this movement. If 4 hours closes below this guy, Okay, there's nothing bad about it, but it's just a small peep. Okay, pick it and enjoy it. Then a break of this also will give you another small peeps. Not bad. It's part of it. Little here, little there. We are creating the money. Creating the money. All right. That is that for this guy this morning. That is that for NZD USD this morning. All right. So let's go to USD card. So guys, are you with me? Hello, everyone. Are you with me? Hi, hi. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. Thank you for being there. Yes, guys, yes. This is brought to you by CJC Market. Okay, what they say is a bonga forex brokerage in Nigeria and spreading across Africa. So for now, we're in Nigeria. CJC Market is in Nigeria, and I tell you, CJC Market is one of the most transparent forex brokerage firm around you can trust, run by trusted people. And the CJC Market is set to educate 1 million Nigerians on how to trade the financial market. That is our dream. We are achieving that already. We've trained thousands of clients already all over the country, and both offline and online. Our office is we have office in Lagos, we have office in Port Harcourt, we have office in Abuja, and we have partner offices all over the country, in Ilorin, in Ibadan, in Sabah, in Calabar, in Bayelsa, in all over the country, Kaduna, and so on. So we have partner offices all over the country. And apart from these partner offices, you can walk into our main office in Lagos, in Port Harcourt, in Abuja. In Lagos, our office is at 103 Allen Avenue, Ikeja. That is 6th floor, 103 Musheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja. That's our office, Lagos. Then our office in Port Harcourt is at second floor, 193, second floor 193, Rumo Aba Road, second floor 193 Aba Road, Rumola Junction, beside Emerald Hotel, Port Harcourt, River State. Then our office at Abuja, in Abuja, is number 50 Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja, first floor. Once you get the first floor, you're going to see CJC Market. First floor, number 50 Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, beside H Medics, Wuse 2, Abuja. Not yet. We don't have a partner office in Ogun State. We would like to be our partner in Ogun State. All right. We want to have partner offices all over the state. So if you are ready to be a partner, you have all it takes to be our partner. Why not come on board, discuss with us, and we make you our partner in Ogun State. You want to be our partner in Osun State. You want to be our partner in Ondo State. You want to be our partner in Delta State, though we have office in Asaba already, and those states, in any of the states where we've not gotten, in Kogi, in Benue, in all those other states, say, why not? Why not? You can be a partner anywhere you are. If you have all it takes to be a partner, then we're also ready to partner with you. And from there, we run, because we need to train 1 million Nigerian youth on how to trade the financial markets. We are not leaving the elderly ones aside, but major focus is on Nigerian youth, 1 million Nigerian youth. Then we're going to change our country. All right, so if you want any of our services, which I know is going to serve you well at CJC Market, all our services are top notch. All right, no problem. Just hit us up. We're going to discuss on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop a WhatsApp group. For anything you want, you can send it to that WhatsApp group. All right, so if you want to be, you want to copy trade, just want to copy trade, you don't have time for analysis, you don't even have that time for trading, or you are just learning how to trade, but you still want to be making money while you're learning how to trade. It's fine. You can have a small account for trading while you have another account for copy trade. You can copy expert trade. We have a copy trading platform that can do you real good. From our copy trading platform, you can make so much money copying experts every single day. And you just see profit coming to your account. That is lovely, you know. There's nothing that makes someone very happy other than money. When money is flowing in, you'll be so happy. In fact, money can heal sickness. I'm telling you, yes. So when you're copying the trade of expert, you just see the money coming in. It's a very good one. So if you want to do our copy trading, you want to be part of our copy trading platform as someone that gets copy expert trade, then hit us up. I'm going to drop the phone number for you to hit us up. All right. And if you're a good trader and you want to provide services, copy trading service to people, you know you are very good, why not join our copy trading platform and be a provider? Join our copy trading platform and be a provider. So once you join our copy trading platform and you are a provider on our copy trading platform, you make money. Yes, you're going to make money from it, serious money. All right. Then we have signals. We have our signal service. Our signal service, we just tell you where to buy, where to sell. You do it yourself. This one is not that you're copying people. You're getting the signals and you're doing it. It drops in a special signal Telegram, special signal, that's Telegram signal channel, a special signal Telegram channel. It drops there, you just go to your platform, you look at the trade and place it. So if you want the signal service, minimum funding is $500. This is very good for you. You want to be part of what you're doing. You want to do it yourself. You want to feel it. You want to see the profits. You want to, signal service will be very good for you. A minimum funding for that is $500. Once you fund your account with $500, you will be connected. Okay. All right. And also, we also have other services apart from this. If you look at our training, top-notch training for newbies, training for advanced clients, okay, all these are available. If you're a newbie, you want our training, why not? You can come and join our training and learn the basics of forex trading. And if you're an advanced person, you want to learn more, you want to understand some serious technical trading strategies and patterns, then CJC is the answer, because we have experts all over our offices who are really ditching out what you really need to be very good in this market. So why not walk into any of our office and get the top-notch training that you are looking for? Then you will be happy you did, because we are here to serve you better at CJC Market. So if you are interested in any of these as service, which I know you should be interested in, then send your name and location to this number, 070-3414-6478. Send your name and location to that number. Anything you want, please put it. Your name, your location, I want advanced training. Your name, your location, I want signals. Your name, your location, I want copy trading. Your name and location, I want someone to manage my account for you. So person dedicated to you. I want someone to manage my account for me. Okay. But remember, if we give you someone to manage your account for you, the person is not CJC staff, it's an independent person doing his own stuff, but these guys have been tested and trusted and they are doing well. So some of them manages $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, depends on the trader. You can recommend, it's just a recommendation, mere recommendation. We are not making profit from anything. We're just trying to serve our clients better. So you guys should discuss and then come to terms and agree. Then once the person starts trading for you, then good. But what we'll do for you on our own side, we ensure the person is a good trader. Do you understand? And the person has track record. That is what we are going to do for you. Then we can recommend, just ordinary recommendation. So with this, we are going to start making, good amount of money, okay, from the market. So we have everything that will help you to make money from the foreign exchange market. So anything you want, send it to that number, 070-3414-6478. And if you are not yet in our Telegram channel, where we have thousands of Nigerians already, so this is the link to join our Telegram channel. That's a link to join our Telegram channel. Every update will be posted in that Telegram channel, on that Telegram channel. So that's a link to join our Telegram channel. And you want to visit our website, cjcmarketsglobal.com. cjcmarketsglobal.com. That's our website, cjcmarketsglobal.com. cjcmarketglobal.com. Don't worry, I'm going to answer all your questions. Before I answer all your questions, if you have any questions, start dropping it in the Q&A section, and I'm here to answer all your questions. Trust me, I'm going to answer all your questions this morning. So let's continue. Okay, guys, are you there? Can you see my screen? Don't worry, I'm seeing those questions, I will answer them. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yes, 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 we do me good. All right, all right, all right, all right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's all I need. That's all I need. Just yes from you guys will be fine. That's all I need. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. All right, so let's go on. Since everybody can see my screen and you all can listen to me, you can hear me very well. So let's go on. We've talked about NZD USD. So let's talk about UXD CAD. Let's talk about UXD CAD this morning, because we need to analyze USD CAD this morning for us to have a better understanding of what USD CAD is going to do. Then from there, we move to gold. We move to gold. All right, that's it. USD CAD this morning. If you look at the charts yesterday, we said USD CAD. All right, guys, sorry for that. Sorry for that, please. If you look at the chart, you will see yesterday we said USD CAD is bearish. That is what we said yesterday. USD CAD is bearish, and we expect bearish movement, which we saw some bearish movement after the bullish. We move a little bit bullish, like 20-something pips before starting the bearish movement, and that's just about 25 pips, though. So no big movement from USD CAD yesterday. All right, and you remember we put all this trend line. We put all this trend line in place yesterday. Smart trader will have made something very smart from this. So with this now, price broke below this, they moved back, tested that trend line, and then pull back. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you're going to see that clearly, which will give you a lot of opportunity to enter. Now that trend line is still in place. Yes, it's still in place. Yes, it's still a very good one, which is still in place. So I'm expecting price, as we're looking at what price is doing. My bias for USD CAD this morning is still bearish, but for now you can see that up movement, and I'm expecting price to go up a bit, hit this trend line, then take a decision from this trend line. That is what I'm expecting price to do. So if price hit this trend line and take a downward turn, then we can see movement down, gradually breaking this other trend line. Then from here, a movement down to 1.2425. So price is likely going to do this. But if price decides to go above this trend line on the flip side, then we'll see a gradual movement to this top at 1.2600 level. You can see 1.2600 level. So price may likely do something like this today. So watch out for this movement, because presently we can say price is like moving gradually up towards this trend line. So at this top, price may decide to go back. But if you look at it, because we have less volatility in the market, if you look at it clearly, you'll see that price is hitting this little support we have here already. So price is hitting it. So guys, you can take a very good decision. You can look at the price is hitting this small support, and from here, price may decide to turn. So it may not get to that trend line. It may not get to that trend line. But on the flip side, it may also get to that trend line. So if you're going to take a sell decision, tight stop loss, tight stop loss. Then from there, it's move and move and move. That's the USD CAD this morning. For me, my bias for USD CAD this morning is bearish bias, expecting USD CAD to come and hit 1.2425 level. But you remember, we don't trade expectation. This is forex. We don't trade expectation. We trade reality. We trade what we can see. Okay, as you're looking at it, it's happening right before your eyes. That is what we trade in forex market. We don't trade expectation. If you trade expectation, market is going to disappoint you so many times. So don't trade expectation. Please trade what you see. Okay. So, but my expectation is bearish bias, but I am not going to follow that blindly, because you see price trending up. If there's a rejection from this guy, then I'm going to sell down. Okay, for now, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to wait. probably I'll see a rejection, a candle, a bearish reversal candle, then I'll follow that downward. Then if this is broken, then I'll follow that downward again, okay, to this. So that's it. So if this is rejected again, then I can do a little scalping back again to this top, okay? And if this is broken, then another little movement back to this top. Simple. Simple. So anyhow the market turns, you are going to hit it hard and make your money. When I say hit it hard, I'm not saying use all your lot size in this world, though. Please, okay? Take minimal risk. Take risk that you can close your system and go and sleep, and your heart will not be beating very fast. That's it. Some people are doing very well in demo, but when you get to live, you see them doing rubbish. The reason is the lot size, the risks they are taking. It's not that if you can trade in demo and you are trading very well, and you come to life and you are fumbling, it's not that you are a bad trader, you are a good trader, but your risk management is poor. That's just it. Your risk management is poor. That is why you're doing very well. Okay, your risk management, emotion control is bad. That is why you're doing poorly in life accounts. All right, guys, so let's move on to gold. Lastly, gold. Gold did very well yesterday. Remember, we did something like this, and I'm just so happy with the movement of gold. Look at what we did yesterday. I told you that with what I'm saying, gold might like gently and quietly move towards this resistance. And you see, very gently and quietly, we're just going up, going up, going up, going up to hit that resistance. Like we are like a prophet, prophesying this level, and you see price move to that level. The reason is because of this pattern. This is what we call chart pattern. So if you don't know some of these things, you need to learn. There's room for learning. That is why you need to come to CJC. If I were you, I'm going to find time to go physically, because trading forex can really give you the financial freedom that you need. Okay, so you see, this level is broken now, and price trend gently to this resistance. So at that resistance, price is going to take decision, which I love. I love trading close to resistance, close to support, close to trend line. I love taking trades close to resistance support, because I don't like using big stop loss. I love using tight stop loss. That is why I love trading close to resistance, close to support, close to trend line, reversal close to trend line. I love all those kind of stuff in the forex market. If I don't see, if it's far away from resistance support or trend line, also I don't take that trade. I stay away from it. Okay, because for me, I love using tight stop loss. All right, so you can see gold there. Bias, though my bias for gold this morning is neutral. This is reason why my bias for gold is neutral. Okay, but what we are seeing now, okay, gold is at a very strong decision point, and that decision point is 1775. Okay, that is the new resistance. Let's. Oh, sorry. This is the new resistance this morning. 17. Yesterday we mentioned that. Please let me just take a look at that resistance. We mentioned that yesterday. We said it that gold should go and test this resistance yesterday. We mentioned this resistance, which gold is touching now. Okay, this is it. 1755. So let's look at that, 1755. All right, that's the resistance level gold is playing with now, 1755. So let's see if gold is able to close above 1755. It's very important. Let's see if gold is able to close above 1755. So if gold is able to close above 1755, it's going to move gently to 1770. Can say gently. It will not struggle. It's just a gentle movement. It's going to move to gently to 1770. Okay, and if that happens, that is about how many pips? That's about 170 pips. How? Some people will say, hula la, 170 pips. And you know, gold can do that movement in less than 2 hours. In less than 2 hours. Okay, but on the flip side, if there is a rejection, let me see. Am I seeing something? Let me see. It's like I'm seeing something now. Okay, this is good. Yes, lovely. Very lovely. So let's remove this guy. It has expired. It has done its job. So let's remove this guy. It has expired. All right. So let's see this guy. Okay. So you can see that's very nice construction. Am I seeing another thing? Let me see. It's like I'm seeing something else again. Okay. No, it's a bad one. It's not a good one. It's a bad one. So let's leave this trend line. So with this, I can take perfect decision. Remember, I'm on 1 hour time frame. I can take a perfect decision. I'm watching gold closely. So if you guys close above this, good. Once I see a close above this, then carefully, I'm going to buy you to this level. But if gold decides to come back and break this trend line, then carefully, I'm going to sell you down to this level. So what are you saying? Opportunity is here waiting for us. All right, guys, that's our analysis this morning. Very simple and very clear, very clean. So you can take your trading decision. But that level is 1755. Watch out for that level, 1755. Broken, then we are going to see 1770. Rejected, and this small trend line is broken, then 1717 will be reviewed. That's a support, 1717. We'll go down to 1717. If this point is rejected and we see a close below this trend line, then a downward movement to 1717. But for now, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to watch gold closely to see if it's going to close above 1755. All right, guys, this is brought to you by CJC Market, All right, so let me answer all your questions.